how to do green screen, right? I use the software Kinemaster. Okay, this one, the Kinemaster. Okay, so let's open a new project. Okay, this one. Okay, select a background. First, we'll put a media. Yeah, just put a picture. This is our media. Okay, drag it. So this is our media. And then what do we? Okay, put a layer. Put layer. So pick layer media. I have recorded this my green screen. Okay, this one. Okay. Maybe can play and see. You see my funny face? Alright, okay, that's enough. So later on, add another layer. Let's add the dinosaur. This one, okay? Alright, let's add the dinosaur. So we have two layers. One is my face. Okay, put the dinosaur here, and this is my face over here. Okay, but I need to invert my face. I need to invert my face. I pick my face because I'm looking the other way around. So I invert my face. I press this one. Rotate and mirroring. Press this one. This one. Now rotate already. Let's check. Let's check. My face over here. Okay, let's play and see. Like that. You see? I invert my face already. Okay, that's enough. So what should I do now? Okay. What I do is, okay, I select my face. Use the function chroma key. Enable. Play and see. Now no more green screen, but it looks blur. So I need to adjust the chroma key. Go back to the chroma key. Adjust it like that. You see? Can be adjusted. Adjust over here. Yeah? Adjust it. So that no more green. That would be good. That's good enough. Now select the T-Rex. Chroma key also. Okay, then wait. Let me check. Check and see again. Maybe make it bigger so I can like that. See? But still got some green effect. So chroma key again. Okay, so let's check and see. Woo, that's nice. Okay, reposition my face, look a little bit more realistic. Okay, let's check the whole videos. Wow, that's nice, isn't it? Okay, now let's add some voiceover. Why there's no screaming, there's no sound from me, so I can add my own sound. I press the voice. Okay. Oh, unable to record. My gosh. Anyway, if you want to add your own voice, you just press this voice and then you start to record. Yeah, that's called voiceover. Okay, that's it. Let's check our whole videos. That's me and my beloved pet dinosaur. Okay, so see you. Bye. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe.